As the afternoon light turns gentle and reflective, as the echoes of exertion begin to rest, we arrive at a moment where motion yields to meaning. Carried on the timeless breath of the Vedic mantras, this hour unfolds not as an ending, but as a quiet bow to effort, discipline, and becoming. For 2 days, this ground bore witness to youthful stride and striving spirit, to lessons learnt in speed and stillness alike. Now, as footsteps slow and hearts listen inward, we gather to honor what has been achieved and what shall endure. As our esteemed dignitary walk in, escorted by our principal and other revered dignitaries, may reverence guide our action and gratitude shape our thoughts. Let the mantra lead, let reflections follow. With this spirit of stillness and fulfillment, we began the valedictory ceremony of the 22nd annual sports meet, Josh Ka Jashan. A Jashan that's heralded itself for 3 days with sweat, grit, determination, successes and failures, where our students have learned not just to taste success and remain grounded, but at the same time accept failure with the same empathy, learning, gratitude, looking forward ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, this valedictory afternoon is graced by the presence of Sri Lalit Kumar Kapil, Regional Officer, Central Board of Secondary Education, Regional Office, Bhubaneswar. His journey reflects a rare balance of scholarship, experience, and administrative vision, shaped by nearly 25 years of dedicated service across key government and educational institutions. An accomplished scholar of commerce and a recipient of the UGC Junior Research Fellowship, Sri Kapil has served the Central Board of Secondary Education in diverse capacities, including at its headquarters and regional offices at Prayagraj and Delhi, besides contributing significantly to the seated unit and the administration department. His professional experience is further enriched by his association with the Indian Audit and Accounts Department under the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, lending depth, precision, and integrity to his understanding of governance. Hailing from Dev Bhumi, Uttarakhand, Sri Kapil is widely respected for his profound knowledge of examinations and educational administration, domains where fairness, clarity, and discipline must move in quiet harmony. We thank you, sir, for your gracious presence this afternoon, and we look forward to listening to you shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, the school choir awaits your attention. The chorus you are about to hear captures the spirit of Sports Day. This presentation has been prepared under the guidance of Mr. Purnachandra Swai and Mr. Rupak Kumar Parida. Over to the school choir. मेरा देश सबसे महान, जिंदगी एक खेल है और खेलना जरूरी है. Thank you so much, students, for that soulful presentation, a rendition of collective symphonies indeed. May I now invite the chairman of our school, Shri Santosh Kumar Satpathy, to deliver the welcome address. Sir, please.
He is a very distinguished officer in Central Board of Secondary Education. He comes from the Chardham area, Uttarakhand. He is a postgraduate in commerce and has more than 25 years of experience. We have with us a very distinguished chairman of Kalinganagar, Pokhariput, DAV Unit 8, and our own school, Sri Madan Panda, a very distinguished bureaucrat, Sri Santosh Upadhyay and Madam Upadhyay, a distinguished police officer, an IPS officer, Madam Bhagyavati Nayak, who holds a record as a very legendary principal of Unit 8 DAV school. She was the principal for more than 24 years. We have Madam Ipsita Das, Bipin Babu from Pokhariput, parents and students, both boys and girls. I had welcomed you about 3 days ago, and my welcome wish for all of you was to become a little champion, was to become a champion in whatever you do. I am reminded of a small little line from Mahabharata. Karna, he tells Lord Krishna, Dvaivayatam kulam jatam. It is for God to give me birth. I don't choose my parents. I don't choose my caste. I don't choose my place of birth. That is your choice. But what is my choice? My choice, Madayatam cha Purusham. I want all of you to write down in your own drawing rooms. Dvaivayatam kule janma, Madayatam cha Purusham. I'll be a champion by working hard. So my wish for all of you, today and every time, do whatever you want to do. Science, arts, literature, music, football, Lionel Messi, cricket, whatever you want to do. Be a champion in that field. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring address. May I now invite the principal of our school, Dr. Sujata Sahu, to present the annual school report for the session 25-26. Madam, please.
Namaskar and a very warm good afternoon to all of you. On the closing ceremony of the 22nd annual sports meet of DAV Public School, Chandrasekharpur School, Josh Kajashan, I roll out a red carpet welcome to our chief guest, Sri Lalit Kumar Kapil, the regional officer of CBSE Bhubaneswar region. Sri Santosh Kumar Satpathy, the chairman of our school, Sri Madan Mohan Panda, the chairman of DAV Public School, Kalinganagar, Sri Santosh Upadhyay, chairman of DAV Unit 8, and Madam Mrs. Upadhyay, Madam Mrs. Bhagyavati Naik, the former principal of DAV Unit 8, esteemed members of the SMC, PTCC, whose presence reflects the collective leadership that continues to strengthen the DAV ethos. The occasion is further enriched by the presence of our manager of our school, Dr. Dwarkanath Mishra, Principal DSBM, colleagues from our sister concerned school, Mrs. Ipsita Das, ARO cum Principal of Unit 8, Mr. Bipin Kumar Sahu, ARO cum principal of DAV Pokhriput, Mrs. Sujata Mishra, the principal of Raja Bagicha School, Cuttack, teachers of the Twin City of our sister concerned school. We also note with gratitude the association of our sponsors of the endowment prizes, distinguished parents, dear alumni, representative of the media, my very own colleagues, and my dear spirited students, whose collective presence lends dignity and significance to this occasion as we proceed to reflect upon the achievement and progress of the institution through the annual report. On this valedictory ceremony of the 22nd Annual Sports Meet, Josh Ka Jashan, we pause to honor the timeless journey of the DAV movement, which has consistently nurtured minds and molded characters through the harmonious union of knowledge, values, and vitality. Founded on the intellectual ideals of Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati and carried forward with exemplary selflessness of Mahatma Hansraj Ji, the DAV movement turned into a living institution of national service. In Odisha, the movement flourished under the inspiring patronage of Padma Vibhushan Dr. A.N. Khoshla. Today, under the visionary leadership of Padma Shri Poonam Suri, President of DAV College Trust and Management Society, New Delhi, the DAV network stands tall, 139 years strong, encompassing over 1,000 schools, colleges, and universities, and millions of learners, educators, and alumni across the nation. Within the illustrious legacy, DAV Public School Chandrasekharpur School stands as a beacon of holistic excellence. Established on 4th August 1989 with humble beginnings, with 90 students, 7 devoted teachers, and a dream nurtured in the FR quarters of Saileshi, Bihar, the school has grown into a thriving center of learning with over 4,000 students and 230 committed staff members. This remarkable journey has been shaped by the visionary leadership of late Engineer B.C. Patnaik, a founder chairman, and the academic foresight of Dr. K.C. Satpathy, the founder principal and the present regional director of DAV Institutions, Odisha. As we celebrate 36 years of powerful existence, we do so with gratitude and pride. For these years have taught us perseverance in adversity, humility in success, and commitment in service. Living by the ethos, work is worship, the school has risen to be recognized as the #1 DAV schools in academics at the national level, while simultaneously fostering creativity, compassion, and physical well-being. The theme of this year's annual sports meet, Josh Ka Jashan, captures the very pulse of DAV Chandrasekharpur School. It's a celebration of youthful energy channeled through discipline, of competitive spirit tempered by sportsmanship, of minds trained to think and bodies trained to endure. In the echo of cheering crowds and the rhythm of running feet, we witness values in motion, teamwork, resilience, fairness, and courage. With immense pride and heartfelt gratitude, I now present some of the remarkable achievements of the academic session 2025-26, celebrating the accomplishment of our students and the unwavering support of parents and teachers. As we rejoice in this festive of zeal and spirit, may Josh Ka Jashan inspire every child to strive higher, run stronger, and believe deeper in themselves and in the values that define DAV. The academic year 2025 has been a distinguished chapter in the school's journey, marked by exemplary accomplishment across academics, competitive examination, Olympiads, innovative challenges, sports, literature, fine art, and cultural pursuit. Our students have demonstrated exceptional talent, confidence, and perseverance, earning accolades at international, national, state, and inter-school level, and thereby reaffirming the institution's steadfast commitment to holistic excellence. With reference to Class 12 board examination, the concerted efforts of students, teachers, and parents culminated in the school being adjudged as the topper among all the CBSE schools of the state. With a QPI of 83.60 in science and 84.31 in commerce, the school comes in the outstanding category. At the same time, in humanities stream, they earned the star performer category with an impressive QPI of 90.34. Upholding this legacy of excellence, the secondary school examination, class 10th, results further reinforced the school's academic stature with a QPI of 86.12, placing the institution once again in the prestigious star performer category. In competitive examination, the school achieved exceptional success. In JEE Main 2025, Sibasis Panda emerged as a standout performer, securing a percentile rank of 99.951, while 12 students scored above the 99 percentile. Overall, 114 students qualified the JEE Advanced, as testimony to the school's sustained academic rigor. This excellence continued in JEE Advanced 2025, where Sriraj Sarkar led the cohort as the school topper with an All India rank of 817. In all, 29 students qualified, while 11 secured rank within the top 5,000, reaffirming the institution's strong national presence. The school's performance in NEET 2025 was equally commendable. Underscoring its sustained commitment to excellence in medical entrance examination, Sanjay Kumar Sahu emerged as a school topper with an impressive score of 585 out of 720, while 119 students qualified for the examination. A defining highlight of the year was the extraordinary achievement of Ruhan Mahanti of class 10, who was selected among the top 6 students in the country at the International Junior Science Olympiad, OCSC camp held in Bangalore. He went on to represent India at the 22nd International Junior Science Olympiad 2025 in Russia, becoming the only student from Odisha to achieve this distinction. Adding further glory to this achievement, Ruhan was awarded a silver medal at the international level, an accomplishment that demonstrates his scientific acumen and perseverance. An equally proud moment for the school was the exceptional accomplishment of Satvik Swami of class 4, who was conferred the Biju Patnaik Sports Award for the Young Sportsman of the Year by the Government of Odisha. He further enhanced his laurels by securing a bronze medal at the Asian Youth Chess Championship 2025 held in Bangkok, showcasing exemplary focus, discipline, and sportsmanship on an international platform. The school further distinguished itself at the National Creativity Olympia 2025 held at Jamshedpur, where the team comprising Subhankar Das, Adhyayan, Kashyap, Jayesh Davik, all of class 12, and Adarsh Das of class 10 secured the second runners-up position along with the cash award of 20,000. In addition, Himanshu Shekhar Sahu, Ronit Satpathy, Manyata Singh, and Shreyasi Behura were conferred with the prestigious Rajiv Gandhi Pratibha Puraskar 2025 in recognition of the outstanding contribution in the field of science and technology, sports and art, bringing further honor to the institution. Shubhankar Das of class 12 earned a national recognition for his innovative venture, Drift, which was shortlisted among top 200 ideas from over 37,000 entries in the Vivo Ignite National Innovation Challenge held at Bangalore. Demonstrating remarkable entrepreneurial acumen, Shubhankar has registered his company as a DPIIT recognized startup under the Government of India, and during the year secured 2 rounds of government funding totaling to 10 lakh. His startup is currently valued at approximately 3.5 crore, making a rare achievement at the school level. In the domain of leadership and discipline, Cadet Arushi Naik of class 9 was conferred the Governor's Gold Medal along with a cash award of rupees 10,000. Further adding to this honor, Cadet Abha Abipsar of class 9 was adjudged the best cadet at the group headquarters level and will be awarded a cash prize of rupees 4,500. In the domain of cuisine, Srujan Kumar Bastia of class 11th Humanities and Priyanshu Pratik Mahanti of class 11th Commerce secured the 3rd position at the Aqua Regia Regional Final Quiz Competition, earning trophies, certificates, and cash award. Further, Master Ashish Kumar Ratha of class 12 and Master Sujan Kumar Bastia of class 11 emerged winners in the inter-school quiz competition organized by the East Coast Railway in collaboration with the Odisha Quiz Association. Similarly, in media and communication event, an inter-school radio jockey Rhapsody competition witnessed outstanding performance by Anushka Tripathi of class 11 and Rishita Mishra of class 9, who secured the first and second prizes respectively. Further adding to the school's achievement, Jyoti Dipachand Das of class 12 Commerce won the first position in the poster making competition organized by Kids School of Architecture and Planning, accompanied by a cash award of rupees 15,000. In recognition of a promising contribution, Alisha Behra of class 9 was also honored with the prestigious Rising Star Award by the Odisha Citizen Forum. The school takes immense pride to announce that in one of the high-level mathematics competition, the Regional Mathematical Olympiad, out of 41 selected students from the state, an impressive 8 students have qualified from D.V. Chandrasekharpur School and are thus eligible to appear the Indian National Mathematical Olympiad, which is conducted by Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education under the Government of India. The qualifiers are Abhirvav Thakur, Chandrasekhar Mahapatra, Abhishek Kumar, Deeptanshu Kar, and Srestha Sriyansi Pari from class 11, and Sakshya Singha Patra, Arya Kumar Sau, and Ayush Gupta from class 12. The list is endless, and I do not want to stand between the audience and the performers, who are very excited about the closing ceremony of the annual sports meet. The entire list of achievement will be reflected in the annual school magazine, Kusumaini, to be released in the month of March 2026. Let us remember that every race run today, every leap taken, and every cheer echoed is far more than a contest. It's a celebration of courage, character, and collective spirit. Wins are recorded, records are broken, but what will endure is the confidence gained, the discipline learned, and the joy shared. Let this 22nd Annual Sports Day, Josh Ka Jashan, remain etched in memory as a day with energy found direction, enthusiasm found discipline, and dreams found wings. With hearts full of hope and feet ready for the next stride, let us move forward together, stronger, wiser, and united. Let the spirit of Josh Ka Jashan live on the field, in the classroom, and in the life. Wishing all of you a very, very happy, Merry Christmas 2025 in advance. Thank you all. Bande Mataram, Bande Utkala Janani.
Thank you, madam. These illustrious achievements of our school will propel us to excel even higher in the years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move to the house drill presentations. I invite our talented duo, Purvasha and Rishita, to kindly take over and lead the proceedings.
Thank you so much, sir. A very good afternoon to our esteemed dignitaries of the day, our revered principal madam, respected academic supervisors, learned teachers, our enthusiastic student athletes, and our proud parents who are here to support and encourage the students. I am Rishita Mishra, and it is truly an honor to co-anchor today's celebration.
And I am Purvasha Falguni. Together, we welcome you all to one of the most awaited segments of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness precision, unity, and discipline as two of our houses present their annual drill, a true reflection of teamwork and synchronization.
Starting with Raghav.
Nature does not speak in words, yet every leaf, every breeze, and every heartbeat has a rhythm, where movement becomes music.
Formations become melody, and discipline flows in perfect harmony with the elements of life. By the wisdom of Raga and symbolized by the color green, the color of life, renewal, and fearless growth, this drill celebrates strength, balance, and unity with nature.
What unfolds next is not just a drill. spreading smiles and happiness among all.
Earth, water, fire, air, and space are elemental energies inside each of us. Let's look deeper.
अब देखिए वह शक्तियाँ जो हमारी दुनिया को बनाती हैं। 5 तत्व हर एक अपनी कहानी सुनाती है।
Firm we stand, steady and strong. Roots hold deep where we belong.
Water, soft yet powerful, calm yet free. Water flows and shapes the sea.
Fire, a spark within, a fearless flame. Fire transforms, never the same.
air moves free across the skies. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. May all be happy, may all be free from suffering.
And now, stepping forward in shades of grey, the color of hope and exuberance, come the performers of Apala House, a house that believes peace is built not in silence but in understanding.
Their theme today is World Peace, which calls upon us to replace fear with compassion and conflict with dialogue.
With the title Vishwa Shanti Ki Or Naya Bharat, Atankvad Mukt Bharat, presenting the thoughtful and moving performance of Apala House.
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज, पहलगाम में हुए टेररिस्ट अटैक में बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट मारे गए हैं। उनमें से कुछ हमारे देश के सिपाही भी थे। अब देखते हैं सरकार इस पे क्या एक्शन लेती है।
ओ यूं ना लम्हा लम्हा मेरी याद में होके तन्हा तन्हा, मेरे बाद में नैना अश्क न हो माना कल से होंगे हम दूर, नैना अश्क न हो, नैना अश्क न हो। मैं न लौटा आने वाले साल जो मेरी वर्दी बोले मेरा हाल, तो नैना अश्क न हो ये समझना मैं हूँ मजबूर, नैना अश्क न हो, नैना अश्क न हो।
दोस्तों, इंतजार लंबा नहीं कर सकता। चुन चुन करके हिसाब लेना ये मेरी फितरत है। आज दुश्मन को भी पता है ये मोदी है, ये नया भारत है। ये नया भारत घर में घुसकर मारता है।
बादल छट जाएं, हिंसा के पर कट जाएं, बंदूक की जगह कलम बोले, जेल के ताले दिल के द्वार खोले।
ऐसा हो जहां जहां चैन की बंसी बजे, हर बच्चा स्कूल जाए, हर चेहरे पे तेज सजे, शांति की बयार बहे, हर मन को छू जाए। आओ मिलकर एक नई दुनिया बसाए। request Mayuk sir to take over the podium for the proceedings. And with this, I, Purbasha, take a leave. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Purvasha and Rishita. I'm sure these two drill performances have touched all our hearts. So can we give our students another round of thunderous applause? Ladies and gentlemen. Now it's time for the House March Past, where discipline takes poise and grace takes its moment. I invite all the dignitaries on the dais to please come forward to the center stage for the salute of the March Past. The field today became a mirror of life itself. Some moments demanded speed, others balance. Some asked for leadership, others for trust.
सामने से तेज चल.
First, we have the platoon led by the school leader, Spandita Pradhan, followed by the cabinet secretary, Mahamaya Rath.
Following her is the assistant school leader and the flag bearer, Rishita Mishra, as well as the secretaries and assistant secretaries of various clubs. Here, we have the school leader and the cabinet secretary offering salute to the dignitaries of the day.
Marching ahead, we have the platoon of 22 flag bearers upholding the peach-colored flags depicting the 22nd edition of the annual sports meet 2025-26.
Now, we have the ash-colored flag, the spirited Apala House marching forward, led by Rudra Rudraksh Behera, the Apala House leader, and as the flag bearer, we have Saswat Mahapatra, the assistant Apala House leader. Here, we have our leader offering his salute to the raised dignitaries.
Now we have the green-colored flag, the vigorous Gargi House, led by Bishnupriya Mahakud, and Ananya is the flag bearer. Here, we can see the Gargi House leader offering a salute to the esteemed chief guest of the day.
Now, at your side is the magenta-colored flag, the Maitreyi House, led by the Maitreyi House leader, Ankita Priyadarshini. And as the flag bearer, we have Swastika Sahu, the assistant Maitreyi House leader. Here, we can see the Maitreyi House leader offering her salute to the raised dignitaries.
Last but not the least, we have the saffron-colored flag, the enthusiastic Sikata House marching forward, led by Sikata House in charge Amitabh Nayak. And as a flag bearer, we have Aisha Islam Siddiqui. Here we have the Sikata House in charge offering his salute to the day's dignitaries.
The house system of the school was devised to promote team spirit and a sense of belongingness. Each of these houses represent a unique aspect of human virtue.
Apala is named after the daughter of Rishi Atri, the Vedic scholar known for his spiritual knowledge. The grey color of Apala house denotes the hope of exuberance and the spirit of resilience.
The house Gargi is named after the daughter of Rishi Vachkanu Gargi, the Vedic prophetess who was a great woman scholar. She was one of the eminent participants in a philosophic congress organized by King Janaka of Videha. The color green symbolizes life, prosperity, happiness, and success.
The house Maitreyi is named after the wife of Rishi Yagyavalkya. She was a philosopher and was called the Brahmavadini, meaning the one who speaks like God. The magenta color of this house epitomizes brightness and prosperity.
The house Sikata is named after a female Vedic scholar. The saffron color of this house holds deep symbolic significance in various religious and cultural contexts, depicting valor, sacrifice, simplicity, sincerity, purity, and spirituality.
Truly, it was an exhilarating spectacle of team spirit and determination. Each contingent reflected confidence, coordination, and an unyielding determination, proving that the true essence of March Past lies in unity of purpose, discipline of mind, and pride in belongingness. Thank you.
Now, I'd like to request Mayuk sir to carry on with the further proceedings.
Thank you. May I request all our dignitaries to kindly take their seats. I also request our chief guest, Sri Lalit Kumar Kapil, to please address the gathering. Sir, please.
A warm good evening to all of you, the dignitaries, Satpati sir, Panda sir, Upadhyay sir, Mishra sir, and the others, the principal ma'am, Sujata ma'am, Ipshita madam, Bhagavati madam, who known to me earlier, and the students and their parents, guardians, who are present in this August gathering and come here especially in the closing ceremony of annual sports day, which is being celebrated today. So, the academic excellence shown by the students of DAV Chandrasekharpur is well known to all of us. It is nearly unmatched. I have personally witnessed while my earlier visits when I was assistant secretary in this CBS regional office during my earlier tenure during 2013 to 18, the performance of the students of this school, even other schools, other DAV schools who are there in Bhubaneswar, like DAV Pokhriput, DAV Unit 8, DAV Kalinga, are really wonderful. And the best part of this is the students here are really, really wonderful for the best reason that they are unparalleled in various activities apart from the academic activities. So as we have already seen, they are there in various competitive examination showing their academic excellence. They are there in various scientific institutions showing their scientific temperaments. They are in every field, they are there. It shows the dedication that their teachers are shaping and helping the children, the students who are studying there in this school. And also, I just wanted to convey that every best performance of our mind can only come from a healthy body. So that's why the performances or the physical fitnesses are equally good. We have already seen in various ways the students who are physically and mentally fit are scoring very high in their examinations also. And they are performing well in their life, in their future also. So physical fitness is equally required for all of us, including the administrators, including the teachers, the students, for everybody. So I request all of you that you must have shown your sportsmanship in this past 2-3 days, and the prizes must be given today. So the same zeal to be continued by you in your academic fields. And we, on behalf of CBSE, are always there to support you in every possible manners within our specified frameworks, duties. We are always there. And our office is also located nearby. So in case of any issues, you can come up directly to our office. So my best wishes to all of you. Best wishes for the coming Christmas, New Year, and also for the upcoming examination, board examination also. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. I request you to please come on the dais for the felicitation ceremony. I also request sir to please come on the dais. I also request Chairman Shri Santosh Kumar Satpathy sir to be on the dais for the felicitation of the chief guest. I request Madam Bhagyavati Naik, Madam Upasana Upadhyay, Anupama Upadhyay, I request Santosh Upadhyay ji to also join in. Chief guest Shri Lalit Kumar Kapil is being felicitated with an Uttariya, a sustainable candle which is prepared by our students, a boat that symbolizes testing tides across all journeys, and a potted sampling that epitomizes the growth not just of the institution at large, but of the student, the teachers, and the educational community. Thank you so much, sir. We begin with the felicitation of our students. We first honor the champions of the sports meet. May I invite the champions of the sub-junior group from the classes 3 to 5, Miss Pragya Jyoti Mahakunda of class 5E and Master Prayag Mishra of class 5F to kindly come forward and take their place on the dais. Please come forward. These champions represent the true spirit of sport, where physical endurance, mental resilience, and emotional maturity come together. These students are presented with a trophy and a certificate. May we have a round of applause. Many, many congratulations to both of you. May these trophies transform all your efforts into excellence. Thank you so much. Now, may I invite the champions of the junior group of classes 6 to 8, Miss Deepika Naik of class 8A and Rajveer Naik of class 7B to kindly come forward and take their place on the dais. Rajveer and Deepika are here with us. They embody physical strength refined through discipline, mental focus, perseverance, and emotional balance. They are presented with a trophy and a certificate. Many, many congratulations to both our stalwarts. Now I invite the champions of the senior group from classes 9 to 12. I call upon Miss Ayushi Dharua of class 12 and Master Sai Riyansh Parida of 9F. Ayushi Dharua of class 12 and Sai Riyansh Parida of class 9 to be on the stage. Many, many congratulations. You have performed your best. Let sweat, grit, and determination speak through your actions. And now, the trophy is yours. They are presented with a trophy and a certificate. May we have a round of applause. Thank you. We now proceed with the felicitation of the girls' relay race team. May I invite the following participants to take their place on the dais. The first prize winners from Sikata House. Pratiksha Samal of class 7, Deepika Naik of class 8, Ridhima Acharya of class 8, and Akansha Samal. Pratiksha Samal class 7, Deepika Naik class 8, Ridhima Acharya of class 8, and Akansha Samal of class 9. Akansha, Deepika, Pratiksha, and Ridhima. Please rush to the stage. The medal is waiting for you. The relay race stands as a powerful symbol of teamwork, trust, and shared responsibility. They are presented with a gold medal and a certificate. Many congratulations. Now I call the second prize winners, Apala House. And the students are Suhani Rath of class 10, Shanvi Naik of class 11, Shrestha Raut of class 7, and Piniti Shishiksha of class 9. The relay reminds us that progress is achieved when effort is passed on seamlessly and every member contributes with equal commitment. As we now see the winners clinch in their medals and certificate. Many, many congratulations. May this be the first of many more coming your way. Thank you so much, dear students. May many more glories come your way. Thank you. Next, I call the third prize winners from Gagi House. Nishita Kasta of class 7, Vishnupriya Mahakud of class 11, Ayushi Dharua of class 12, and Ananya of class 9. Please come on the dais. Nishita of class 7, Vishnupriya class 11, Ayushi class 12, and Ananya of class 9. These girls stand today as a symbol of trust passed forward with faith, precision, and shared responsibility of carrying the team's dream to the finish line. They are presented with a bronze medal and a certificate. Many, many congratulations. May faith, precision, commit to your excellence now and onwards. Many, many congratulations. We now proceed to the felicitation of the boys relay race team. The first prize goes to Maitri House and the winners are Sai Riyansh Parida of class 9, Aniket Das of class 9, Om Prakash Bhuya of class 10 and Soham Biswal of class 9. Many, many congratulations. This medal and certificate reflect the strength of your unity, coordination, and collective effort, where each runner carries not just the baton, but the responsibility of the entire team. The boys exemplify true sportsmanship in action. They are represented here by their own house, been presented with a gold medal and a certificate. Many, many congratulations. The second prize goes to Apala House, and I call upon Shibanshri Khatwa of class 10, Abhinav Mohanty of class 11, Nikhil Kumar Sahu of class 12, and Shriya Prasad Padhi of class 12 to be on the dais. Shibanshri Khatwa, Abhinav Mohanty, Nikhil Kumar, and Shriya Prasad. The relay teaches us that success is achieved when trust replaces hesitation and effort flows seamlessly from one to another, as we witness these champions being honored with their medals and certificate. Shriya Prasad Padhi, they are presented with the silver medal and a certificate. Big congratulations to all of you and thank you so much. The third prize goes to Swayam Sarup Swai, Animesh Naik, Manish Kumar Pradhan and Deep Samal. Swayam Sarup Swai of class 11, Animesh Naik class 11, Manish Kumar Pradhan of class 9 and Deep Samal of class 9. The third prize winners from Sikata House on stage. These boys stand before us today as symbols of confidence and commitment, passing forward not just with speed, but belief, precision, and a shared dream of reaching the finish line together. They are presented with a bronze medal and a certificate. Many, many congratulations. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, after careful observation and evaluation, it is time to declare the best march past. I'm certain all the houses are waiting for the result. I request our esteemed chief guest, Shri Lalit Kumar Kapil, to declare the best march past house contingent.
So the best march past was done by Gargi House.
Gargi House, many congratulations. Many, many congratulations. I request only the student leader, the assistant leader, the senior house representative, and the junior house representative, but their enthusiasm knows no bound. And we have all the girls. I also request the boys, come on, join in.
I request all the Gargi House teachers to join the house drill.
I also request Mr. Shubhadipta Jena, Dr. Harihar Rautrai, along with all teachers of the Gargi House to be on the dais. All teachers of the Gargi House, Mr. Ankit Kumar Das, Madam Rituparna, Sir Bhaktaranjan, Sitaram Sir, Panita Madam, Sanchita Madam, Sarbadaman Sir, Nupur Madam, Sibashi Sir, Rosie Madam and Upasana Madam. Please be on the dais. The stage is all yours. This proud moment is being captured. The photograph will reflect the values that will represent the house to move forward. Discipline, teamwork, leadership. These are the values they set forward with. Many, many congratulations. May this be the first of many more. Now I request our chief guest to declare the best house drill. Sir, please do us the honors.
So the best house drill was Maitri House.
Maitri House! Many, many congratulations. I request the student leader of Maitri House, the assistant leader, the senior house representative, and the junior house representative, along with all teachers of the Maitri House to be on the dais. Mr. Satyabrata Mishra, you are requested to be on the dais with your team. Madam Sumitra Haldar, Debashis Sir, Priyadarshini Madam, Padmaja Madam, Deepa Madam, Maitri House, please be on the dais. Maitri House, make it quick. The leaders are here. All the house teachers are also requested to be on the dais. Join in, boys and girls. Maitri House Supervisor in charge, Madam Bharati Pradhan, is also requested to be on the dais. Big congratulations to all of you. The house drill represents the collective effort that embodies the strength in unity. And I'm sure the house color today will keep flying high. Many congratulations and thank you. Thank you so much, Maitri House. And now we pause for a moment to felicitate a presence that added color, cheer, and boundless energy. I request our mascot, Rolly, to please come on the dais. Rolly, our mascot, our very own Palapetta, the heartbeat of Josh Ka Jashn. It is worth noting that she didn't run the race, yet she lifted every runner. She didn't compete for medals, yet she won countless smiles. Miss Riyanshi Naik of class 6, our mascot, will be presented a memento. Rolly, this year you are here. Come again next year with a different name, a different message, heralding the same flutter of smiles and dorsal heartbeat. Ladies and gentlemen, our mascot of the 22nd annual sports meet, Rolly, the heartbeat of Josh Ka Jashan. Well done, Rolly. You have made all of us proud and all our hearts escalate with smiles and fluttering aspirations. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, as we arrive at the final moment of this grand celebration, I request our chairman, Shri Santosh Kumar Satpathy, to do us the honor and formally declare the annual sports meet closed.
Now I declare the 22nd annual sports meet 2025-26 closed.
Thank you, sir. It is a solemn moment, a symbolic moment, as we have with us Mr. Durga Prasanna Das Mahapatra from the Department of Physical Education, who is already on the dais to lower the school flag. I request our chairman to do us the honor, an act that will reflect reverence for tradition, gratitude for collective effort, and respect for the values upheld during this meet. A solemn and a symbolic moment of this ceremony, the lowering of the flag. The flag is gently lowered. A flag that always represents discipline, responsibility, accountability, and continuity of tradition. We see now Mr. Durga Prasanna Das Mahapatra with utmost care giving the ceremonial flag to the color bearers. Students entrusted with this honor represent discipline, responsibility, accountability, and the continuity of tradition. With measured steps and solemn composure, the color bearers now begin the slow march, moving with quiet dignity around the assembled contingents. As they proceed, the flag travels as a living symbol, bearing within its folds the pride of participation, the discipline of training, and the aspirations of every student who stood on this field with resolve. As the color bearers pass each contingent, they carry forward moments of effort and endurance, early mornings of practice, commands followed in unison, victories earned with humility, and challenges faced with courage. This slow, deliberate movement allows the field to reflect upon itself, honoring each stride taken, every formation held, and every lesson learned. This procession reminds us that while the competitions may conclude, the values nurtured here, discipline, teamwork, perseverance, and respect, continue their journey. The march is deliberate, almost contemplative, inviting all of us to stand in silent acknowledgement. As the color bearers complete their round, all of us stand here in stillness, bearing witness to the tradition. As the slow march draws to its dignified close, the color bearer return with measured steps, respectfully presenting the flag to Mr. Durga Prasanna Das Mahapatra, acknowledging his role. Sir presents it to our chairman, Shri Santosh Satpathy, who gives the flag to the school principal. The final handover to Mr. Durga Prasanna Das Mahapatra remarks not an end, but a continuity, a promise that the spirit of sport must go on. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please take your seats. As we come to a formal close, may I request the dignitaries to take their seats. I now invite the House Coordinator, Madam Chitrangada Mahapatra, to present the vote of thanks. Madam, please.
Thank you, Mayuk sir. Win or lose, the real victory is giving your best. Every player here is already a winner for having the courage to compete. With this noble thought, I, Chitrangada, the House Coordinator, take the privilege of proposing the vote of thanks on this exhilarating and unforgettable annual Sports Meet 2025. First and foremost, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed Chief Guest of the Day, Sri Lalit Kumar Kapil, Regional Officer, CBSE Bhubaneswar. The sir has left, but his benign presence on this occasion have definitely boosted the spirit of all our athletes. Our deep reverence to our esteemed Chairman, Sri Santosh Kumar Satpathy, for his benign presence and words of encouragement. Sir Madan Mohan Panda, Chairman DAV Kalinganagar, Sir Santosh Kumar Upadhyaya, Chairman DAV Unit 8, and Madam Anupama Upadhyaya, Sir's better half. Our deepest gratitude to all of you, sirs and madams. Let me not forget to express our gratitude to our esteemed Regional Director, Sir Dr. Keshav Chandra Satpathy, who is the silent force behind every endeavor of DAV Chandrasekharpur. Our humble regards to our honorable invited guests, Madam Ipshita Das, Principal cum ARO DAV Unit 8, Sir Bipin Kumar Sahu, Principal DAV Pokhriput cum ARO, Dr. Bhagyavati Naik, former Principal DAV Unit 8, Dr. D.N. Mishra, Sir, Manager of SMC, Madam Sujata Mishra, Principal DAV Raja Bagicha. I extend a hearty gratitude to all of you, Madam and Sirs. Our deepest gratitude goes to none other than our very own revered Principal, Madam, the driving force behind this grand spectacle. Ma'am, your vision, your leadership, your unwavering support have transformed the sports meet into a vibrant platform of discipline, determination, and teamwork. We sincerely thank all our supervisors for their valuable presence and guidance, and our revered parents for being a part and parcel of every endeavor, whose constant encouragement fuels the confidence and success of our young achievers. I must not forget the teachers from the sister concerns, those who have multiplied the joy of this occasion. Members of SMC, PTCC, we have our very own alumni members with us today also. So a huge bouquet of thanks to each one of you. A thunderous round of applause now to each and every department. If I go on taking the names, my dear friends, the evening will not be enough. Because we all know, behind the success of every team, there is the contribution of each member. Similarly, behind the success of every member, there is a team. So let me take a minute to express our gratitude to all the departments, starting from Department of HPR, Department of Function, Art, Music, Dance, all those who were there in the prize, record keeping, the events, the officials, the dynamic house teachers, the team of anchors, those who are the supporting staff in light, sound and music, our friends from media. So I should not forget the contribution of each one of you, those who made this event a mega success. Your coordination and tireless efforts ensured that every moment today ran with clockwork precision and festive spirit. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to our support staff whose silent service made this event seamless. I must not forget our very own OSCB branch, whose manager is very well present with us, Ma'am Bhagyavati, constantly monitoring herself all these 3 days and providing or sponsoring the Energizer to all the athletes. A huge bouquet of thanks to each member of OSCB Bank. Last but not the least, our biggest cheer is reserved for all our participants. The pride of today's meet may it be the house drill, the march past, the band, the chorus, the inaugural dance, and our ever-energetic mascot Rolly, who filled the field with color, rhythm, and unstoppable enthusiasm. You did not just participate, dear all, you inspired the others. To everyone who contributed to this grand success, today stands as a shining example of unity, passion, and sportsmanship. Thank you for making this annual Sports Meet 2025 a celebration to remember. Let the spirit of sport live on. Let the Jasn of Josh never cease. Thank you, everyone, and have a good evening and good night ahead. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, madam. With this, we bring the 22nd annual sports meet of the school to a close, carrying forward its spirit of discipline, unity, and excellence into the days ahead. May the values celebrated on this field continue to inspire us all. As we conclude this memorable chapter of the 22nd annual sports meet, Josh Ka Jasn.